Hey everyone, Spruzy here. Welcome back to my channel for part 2 of what I have now retrospectively titled Spruzy Assembles a Table and Some Chairs. As you know, in part 1 I assembled a table, an extendable table with minimal drama, but it took a long time and was a lengthy video, so I thought I had to take a break. And in my break I had a beautiful cup of Earl Grey tea with some nice chocolate digestives. And now I am ready to crack on with part 2, which is assembling for chairs to go with the table. And again I have another beautiful cup of Earl Grey tea with me, as when I make stuff I get a bit thirsty. But before I crack on with the chairs, I'll show you again the table that I assembled. And when I say again, if you watched part 1 with the table, then you'll see this is what the table looked like. And here it is. So it's first time for viewing it this video, but it's like the second or more time if you've seen the first video. And that's what it looks from underneath. But now to crack on with the chairs, and to start off with I need to open this box. Wherever I open it. Just had to get my trusty box opener first. Some instructions. In total there are 6 chairs and 3 boxes, so I imagine there should be 2 chairs in this box. And I guess chair legs. I'm sure more screws and washers. Actually there's a lot of screws and washers in there from the looks of it. Need to get on with the table. I better read the instructions for this one. Man, this chair is going to be fiddly. There's like more pages and more pictures on this one. This is going to take a while. We're in for the long haul here. Now where do I begin? Anyway. I think I'll begin with that. Yep. Yep, okay. To avoid taking up too much time for everyone, I believe for this video I'll just film myself assembling this one chair, because it's going to take a while to get through them all. It's going to take me a long time. Looks like it's going to take long enough just to do the one chair. If I don't need any glue for this. Phew. Also it tells me I need a screwdriver. I didn't use the screwdriver on the other one. Was I meant to? Anyway, let's get started. Let's get this show on the road. Insert wooden dowels into holes on the side. Cool. So that's 1 on that side in the middle, 2 on this side, on the sides. Bloody hell. Tough to get in. Okay, what do I do next? And then with this, I just, yeah, slot it in. And again, the other side. Wait, gotta go that way around. Cool. That is in. And then I have to put in a screw of some sort. Attach the front leg on a flat protected surface, position the sideways as shown, and bolts and spring washers. Spring washer, and which bolt? A. Problem is that one, that's spring washer, and in. Oh look, I have an even bigger Allen key on this one. Wow. This is not as fun as the table. Okay. And for the side. Over there. Spring washer as well. Man. And that again. A lot of screwing going on here, or turning of an Allen key. Man, sitting in the chair is pretty boring. Right, but once this is done, I can happily sit on this chair and eat dinner at the table, or have a cup of tea at the table, read at the table, play on the internet at the table. Okay, so that's, I think that's that one done. Yep, that's that one. That bit done. Okay, what's next? I think I have to put that to the side and get, and put that over there. Put that over there. Not hard. Ooh. Now this. Okay. That's the back of the chair. What do I do? What do I do? Fine. I need this. Two of these, I guess they're going in there. Not entirely sure which way around these are meant to go. This could be a problem. I don't even hold them. Hold on. Probably should just turn this around this way. I'm hoping those are in the right way around. And then it's saying I need to put this on this way. Okay, so this is the first bit I assembled, and it's slotting into here, and then onto the holes onto those as well. Yep, I put these the wrong way around. Put them the other way around. Okay. So I've done all this, and now I've got to put some screws into there and into here. It's getting there. It's definitely getting there. So bolt and a spring washer again into here. Bolt and another spring washer there, and to get some screwing done again. Okay, this will all be over soon, is what I keep telling myself. It'll be worth it at the end. Now to turn this around and do the other side. That's that bit done. Next up, says do that. Yeah, seems alright. Just needs that bit there. Now it's telling me to put this upside down, so I should probably put it there on the table. Because I need to now put the good old seat on it. Gonna need to put the seat on underneath that, aren't I? So I've got the seat on here. And it's now a case of doing something here. Back to the instructions. Carefully place the seat face down on a raised protected surface, so good thing I did the table first. Position the chair on the centre of the seat looks pretty central to me. Yes, and then must be these screws. So some holes. And then so I need to put some to here as well. I'm going to take some time to do. Oh. Now I need a screwdriver. And very importantly, a good cup of tea. Yeah, let's see. That was not meant to happen. I did not just make a dent in the seat of the chair. Fortunately, no one can see that. Let's get started on the old screwing. Right, now I've got to screw these bits in as well. So that is the table all screwed in, and now to right it up. And I suppose the truth is now in the sitting. If this chair collapses under me, then I know I have made a terrible mistake. But it works. I am sitting on this chair. I have assembled a chair. And it works. I just have another 5 of these to do. But I'm not going to bore you with that. So here it is, a better positioning of the chair. And as you can see, holding my weight, doing this job, being a chair at the table. Task accomplished. I have assembled a table and a chair. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to ignore the other 5 chairs I still have yet to assemble. But it's a proud accomplishment, and it proves I can do stuff. I can do some DIY. It would be more impressive if I had to build a table and chair from scratch, but let's go one step at a time. Just assembling a ready-made kit of table and chair. But I just actually need to do one more important thing with regards to this table. My last job, the last thing I just want to do was sit up the table with a cup of tea. I would have actually gone for having dinner at the table right now, but it's a bit early for dinner. Not for like another 3-4 hours yet. So the cup of tea will suffice. This now brings me to the end of my video. I do hope you've enjoyed this series of 2 videos of me assembling a table and a chair. I would hasten to add that the chair was a little more trickier to assemble than the table. Despite the table being bigger and heavier, the chair was just more fiddly. As for now, I'm going to sit back, enjoy my cup of tea, admiring my handiwork with the table and this chair, and at some stage in the future I will get around to assembling the other 5 chairs. Just really don't have the heart to do it right now, and it would be incredibly boring for me to film that. So at some stage I'll show you the finished result of the table and 6 chairs. As for now, hope you've had a fantastic time watching this. Please do like and subscribe. I'll be back for a more enjoyable video soon, where I'm sure I'll do something much more fun and entertaining. As for now, have a fantastic rest of your day. Ooh, and if you do like it, please do like, subscribe, check out the other videos, especially part 1 if you've not seen it. And in the meantime, admire my little Aurora Husky over there. I'll actually just bring the camera up a little bit. Here you go, Aurora and me enjoying the table. We are sure to enjoy having dinner here later on, won't we? You'll have your good old husky cuddly food, and I'll have a good old chilli, hopefully. And apologies for the light coming through behind me. I didn't think about that when I was assembling this table and positioning it right here. But again, in the meantime, I am waffling right now, so enjoy the rest of your day. Have a fantastic time. Again, please do check out part 1 if you've not seen it. And if you have, please do like, subscribe, enjoy the other videos. And again, I'll be back for something much more enjoyable and light-hearted soon. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'm going to keep on enjoying this table and the chair. And again, some stage, assemble the other chairs. But I will also share the finished result. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye! That is one fine husky sitting on one fine chair, happily admiring one fine table that I assembled amongst a bit of a mess that I now need to tidy up. And also in those 2 boxes are 4 more chairs, another chair in there which is also part of the mess, which at some stage I've got to assemble. And just check out, yeah, all the packaging that came with it. But I am proud of that table.